I have not done this in 4 years. Today we're going to be doing only eating food from M&S. Since I'm obviously doing 75 hard, I'm trying to eat healthier, and I know M&S do loads of healthy foods, and I love M&S. It's my favourite food shop to go in. So I thought, let's combine all that and make it into a YouTube video. I need to go to the gym and then we're going to go shopping. I'm so hungry, but I thought I can't eat anything. I need to wait until I go to M&S to start my day with lots of food. If you like this kind of video, please let me know, as I'd love to do more of things like this. I've just got back from the gym. I did a good workout. I did cardio, bike and treadmill. But we're going to head straight to M&S and then I'm going to go home and eat some breakfast. I actually don't know what to get for breakfast. I've got an idea of dinner because I've had it before. Pause the video here and comment down below what you think that I should eat for breakfast and lunch today. I'm not going to tell you what I want for dinner yet, but I'm just going to go and get it and hope that they have it in. I'm in here now. I'm thinking maybe like a yoghurt pot for breakfast. Look at all of these: apple crumble overnight oats, strawberry matcha overnight oats. Do like the look of the apple crumble overnight oats, but it's got a lot of sugar. Might just do it. I think it'll be okay. Looks nice. I'm thinking a salad, so these could be some good ones. Chicken Caesar, Greek feta, tuna. I don't know how to say that. This is a naked chicken katsu salad. That does look good, to be fair. With the naked chicken katsu salad. Now I need to find my dinner. I really want to get a pizza. It's like low calorie pizza. I think they have it. This is it, and it's reduced. I'm going to get this for my dinner. I think I might get these peas, runner beans and broccoli as a side to go with my pizza because they look really good. Although there's loads of other things over here. I'm going to pick up some extra chicken to add to my lunch just for some extra protein. These are my favourite cookies. The thing I'm going to do is look at the new range. I just want to see about a little maybe sweet treat, even though I know I'm not meant to be doing sugar, but I'm just going to do it for the purposes of this video. I've got loads of different stuff up here. I'm going to go for these caramel eggs. These look good. Done. Got it all. And for anyone interested, that costed £24, which is quite expensive for a day of eating, but anyway, thought I could do a little haul of what I got from Marks Spencer's. For dinner, I have got this ultra thin margarita with basil pesto. I've had this before and it's so nice. And you can eat the whole pizza, and it's 405 calories. I just think that is so good. And to go with that, I've got some peas, runner beans and broccoli with the herb and lemon butter. Obviously, this is 2 portions, so I'm not going to eat it all. So I'll have that with the pizza. I know this isn't like a proper good side to have with a pizza, but it's feeling green. Need to eat green foods. But for lunch, I have got this naked chicken katsu salad. I've never had this before, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay. And then I also bought some extra chicken to go with that because it does have 26 grams of protein, but I am really trying to get my protein in, so I bought some extra chicken. And I think I saw someone say that this is really good chicken. It's literally just cooked chicken breast, unsalted butter, milk and salt. A little sweet treat: 4 extra gooey caramel eggs, milk and blonde chocolate filled with a vanilla and caramel centre. And these really remind me of the Cadbury's ones. Does anyone remember the Cadbury's ones that I used to have where there was like a spoon that came with it? I love them. Oh, that's cute. One's like that and then one's like that. So this is milk chocolate and this is blonde chocolate. So I'd be intrigued to try them later, but that will be what I'll have for after my dinner. And then finally for breakfast this morning, I have got this apple crumble overnight oats. I've never had this before. So a lot of this stuff that I've got from M&S, I haven't had before. The only thing that I've had is this pizza. So I'm intrigued by all of this, to be honest. It's chia seeds, diced apple pieces and crumble topping. So we're going to get straight into this because I am very hungry now. Okay, let's give it a little try. This is what it looked like on top. Okay, I'm quite excited for this. By the way, this smells exactly like an apple crumble. That is actually so weird. Let's try it. That is really good. That's so much better than I was expecting it to be. Because overnight oats, it's got apple inside, the crumble. That is so good. Hey, I'm finished. I can actually finish it all. I am drinking a load of water as well. I will come back to you at lunchtime because I've got a lot of work to get on with. So I'll see you at lunchtime for my katsu chicken salad. I'm very excited for it. It's now lunchtime and I'm going to have my naked chicken katsu salad. It's now a few hours later. I've been doing some work. I actually have a rare day off today from the after school clubs because now I'm doing it Monday to Thursday. So I'm going to have this and then I'm also going to add some of the extra chicken like I said. I will probably not put it all in because I might save it as a snack for later maybe. It does look really nice though. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. This must be the katsu sauce. Chicken, edamame beans, looks a bit like is that sweet corn? No, maybe it's chickpeas. Carrots, red cabbage, normal cabbage. So, I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, and what is this? Is this some quinoa maybe? Let's add some of it. Chop it up a bit smaller. This actually looks so good. I'm so excited for this. Give it all a good mix together. Bubbles can now smell the chicken. He knows it's there and he knows he's not allowed any. Let's give it a try. That is really good. That's like a lot better than I expected as well. This could definitely be something that I have again from there. I am watching The Good Doctor at the minute. I'm loving it. I'm on series 2, episode 8. Been binge watching it whilst been baking and stuff like that. I do also have some brownies to make today. I might show you guys them, but obviously I can't eat any. I wouldn't anyway, even if I wasn't doing this challenge because I'm not eating sugar, but I can't eat any today because I only have to eat food from Marks and Spencer's. That's the only thing I can eat. But to be honest, I'm not even complaining because it's actually really nice. I am now at Kai's and it's time to eat my dinner. I'm so excited for this. This has probably been the most excited I've been to have a meal today because I've got my pizza and then I've got the peas, runner beans and broccoli with a lemon and herb butter. So I'm going to put the pizza in first. I've just preheated the oven. It only takes 10 minutes, which is really good. So I've got this and then I'll just put the veg in the microwave for a few minutes. So let's prepare it all. That looks so good. I'm going to add some extra chicken on top. Okay, I'm going to put the pizza on there. I'll be back once it's cooked. Lucky that I read these instructions before I started doing this. I was literally just trying to take off this. I don't know why, because I've had stuff like this before. I need to pierce this with a fork. This is now prepped and ready. That will be done in 10 minutes, so then I need to put this in 7 minutes. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm not doing anything for Kai, it's because Kai's actually not here. I'm actually looking after the dogs whilst Kai's out this evening with my dad. So I am looking after the dogs because everyone else in his family's out as well. I'm going to do some diamond painting this evening and I actually can't wait. Look how good this has turned out, by the way. Kai's mum actually got me this one. It looks so good. My food is all ready. Oh, it's hot. Broccoli. This is my dinner. My Marks and Spencer's dinner. Okay, gonna give this a go. Gonna have some of this bit. I was very innovative with my chicken. I'm very proud of myself for thinking about that. Yum. That is so good. This veg is so nice. I can't lie, I probably will eat all of this. I'm now going to sit and finish off my dinner and then I'll come back once I've finished it and I'll let you know how much I've eaten. Whole plate done. It was so nice. I'm just sitting doing my diamond painting, but I thought it'd be the perfect time to try these. I'm going to try the milk chocolate one. I don't really know about the blonde chocolate. This is what it looks like. We're gonna give it a try. I'm just gonna bite this bit and then see. It's good. That is very good. I'm very glad that I ended up getting these. I am now going to sit and enjoy the rest of this and finish off my diamond painting. And that means that it is the end of the video. I really hope you liked this type of video. Please comment down below if you'd like more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Bye!